Alright, so good morning class. And get you guys' attention up here. We're going to start with our vocab for the rest of the unit. What we're going to do is we're going to learn vocabulary for the upcoming story that we're going to be reading. So I have a list here of vocab words that I'm going to hand out. And what you guys are going to do is choose your favorite. And you're going to look up the definition. And once you do that, you're going to share with your partner what the word's definition was. And we're going to get to the bottom part here in just a bit. But I want you guys to just do the first and second bullets. Okay? So you're going to look up a word. And then you're going to share the definition with your partner. Alright, so I have the list right here. We'll get started. Now some of these words, it's okay if you don't know it. That's what they're here for. You guys are going to learn this. And it's going to be in your book, so I just want to get you guys ready for what the book has and get you guys started. So pick your favorite, and then I have the Chromebooks here. You guys already have them out, and we'll get you guys started. Let me know if you have any questions.
We can write on this?
You can write on this. In fact, I would like if you guys, when you share, you can put the definition right here across from the word. Eventually, we're going to get all of them.
Hey, which one have you picked?
Oh, so I was just gonna pick the first one.
Oh, okay. I was gonna pick. Okay.
All you gotta do is write the definition.
Okay.
Take your time.
Are we supposed to put like it's a verb?
You can put as many definitions as you want of that word. It won't matter which tense it's in,
Okay.
as long as you're able to figure out which. As long as you can, you like one of the definitions and you know it.
Okay.
You want to be able to explain it to a partner. Does it seem like everyone's done?
Mm-hmm.
We're still looking up, or we're ready?
I'm good.
I'm done.
We're good? Okay. So with your partner right now, you can share. You guys can explain to each other what your word meant, the definition.
Okay, so I picked antagonize. It's to cause someone to become hostile. So if when they say I antagonize you, I'm causing you to become hostile by like annoying you in a way where you feel antagonized by me. Okay, your turn.
That's good. That's a good definition.
Okay.
I chose abode, which means a place of residence. It's also synonymous to house or home. So this place, or right now, is our abode for classes.
Nice.
I like that. That's a good definition. Good? Good? Alright, we'll take a minute here to see if everyone's ready. Rest of the class. Getting the sense everyone's ready to move on? Thumbs up, we're ready to go? Alright, this is going to be the next one here. Up on the board here it says on the bottom, in groups, choose one word to create a poster, act out the definition, or write a short story. Okay, so let me go over what the poster is going to look like. So for your poster, you create a word, and all you have to do is take one of these papers here. I have a little poster board. You'll take a paper here, and you can use markers. I have markers, colored pencils. And you're going to create a poster. You'll put the word up in a big bold letters so that everyone can see, and then the definition underneath. And then around it, just put something maybe that represents the definition, or what might the word, how might the word be represented in the story we're reading? Because we all know the story that we're going to be reading and what it pertains to, so maybe you already can see ahead and see where it's going to be used. So there's that. That's the first option. Okay, and then I have an example up here. All right, and then the second option is to act out the word. So, in the past, I've had students it's only going to be about 3 minutes long at the max. You won't need more than that. And you'll just take all your group members and you're going to act out a word. So, and you're going to make sure that everyone will be able to understand the definition. You don't want just to be vague when you're doing it. You want to make sure everyone will understand what this definition means. So, I have a little short video clip here on it of an example from a student last year in their group. I'll let you guys play. So that's about it. That's what it will look like. And you saw how he was making sure that everyone understood what that word meant. They were very loud. It was quick, but it was to the point. We got what the word meant and the definition. This is the third option, short story. And I know everyone's nervous. A story it means like something long, but it's short. And I don't even mean a page. You just have to use the word 3 times in the proper definition. So for you guys, that would mean if you had a abode, you could take that word and you would have to say what it meant, but you don't want to just give us the definition. Like the abode means, and then you're like, I used it once. You want to make sure that you're saying it as if you were speaking to someone else who's outside of this class, who has no idea why we're using abode. It's just, you want to make it so that everyone understands the definition of abode. And you use it 3 times. So I have that on your underline so that you guys know. 3 times. And on the, you guys can see on here, these options are all on the back of your paper. And so just read through them, see what you'd like. And if you have any questions, you can come to me. So we're getting in our groups right now. So we're gonna go with the first pairs that you got in. So I would like everyone to get in their pair groups. Obviously you two are ready to go. You're in your pair groups. Then you're gonna turn around. The people behind you, those are also gonna be in your groups. So I would like groups of 4. Groups of 4, and we're gonna start. I'm gonna put the timer on. 15 minutes. We're gonna go about this, and then I'll give you guys a little bit extra because we'll probably need some time to kind of situate yourself. But what you want to do is get together. Each of you have a word. You're gonna try and find one word that you'd like to do for the whole group. I would like you guys to pick a word that you guys already picked because you already have the definition for it. Make life easy. Don't have to look up another word if you don't have to. So go ahead, get to your groups. I'll be coming around, checking on how you guys are doing. Let me know if anyone has any questions. Do we have any before we start?
So we both choose one word together, and then we can choose any type.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect. And that's exactly right. So I hope everyone heard that. Both of you are going to get together and just find one word.
Okay.
And then you can choose the poster, the short story, or acting it out. And I don't mind. I would love to see all 3. So let me know which ones you guys want. And like I said, I have the markers, colored pencils up here, paper, and then line paper for if you want to do the short story.
Okay.
So I'll let you guys go. Go ahead. Get together.
Yours both again?
Yes, feel free. That's your supply table.
Do you want to draw?
Yeah.
So you guys decided on the poster.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
We're doing this individually?
No, one poster for the group.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are we supposed to each pick a different word or the same word?
We pick one word
One
together.
word.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah,
So you want to pick? Do you want to pick abode or do you want to pick antagonize?
Pick a boat.
Okay.
It's easier.
Okay.
Are you good, Dar?
I guess.
It's probably better than me.
Okay. So you want to do like comic book style, or do you want to, or we're doing a poster?
I was just thinking like we just draw
The word on the top.
Yeah, a boat at the top.
What?
And then, yeah. And then a definition at the bottom. And then I guess in between we can just draw the cows.
Okay.
definition.
Okay, what's the definition? I'll put it in. Should I put it in block 2 or small block?
Yeah. Okay. Place of residence.
Residence. Is it
NCE.
How are you guys doing over there?
And semicolon house or home.
We're doing good.
That's
What?
good. Yeah, and that's good. You guys did it big and bold because I want everyone to see it. Because we'll put these up. I'll put we'll put everyone's up on the board here at the end, and then we'll go over them. And I'll keep these up. That way you guys can reference them back. So make sure it looks good and pretty.
Okay.
Now,
There you go. Place, a home, a residence, house. You guys have an idea for what you're gonna draw for it?
Probably.
Represent it?
Probably. Well, I live in an apartment. Should we put like different houses?
Yeah, that'd be good.
Different types of houses?
That's a good
Yeah.
idea.
So I put like in a square?
Mhm.
And make sure everyone's
Like-
contributing.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna put in a square, like 4 different types, I guess. Are there 4 different types? Apartment, house.
Okay, you can draw.
Oh god, okay. Pink home. Oh, it's red.
Okay, and then you probably need brown or something. Nice.
And the window.
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
And then apartment complex.
How would that look?
Put like a big building and put APT at the bottom. I'm at the top. Right?
Yeah, I guess so. Like a flat.
Yeah, like a flat one with like a ton of windows. And then make sure you like put a line at the, or like so they can put APT at the top.
Right here.
Yeah.
Looks good. Yeah, I like the idea you guys did with 4 different types. Very good.
It's another type of home.
You can put like a duplex or oh like a what are those called? Those trailers.
Oh, mobile homes?
Yeah, mobile homes.
And did you guys use the same definition that you did in the original?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great. Good.
From the beginning, yeah. Sure. Let me just draw. Just make it like a toaster. You know? Like
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? With meals. And then yeah.
Like this?
Flat, yeah. And then just put wheels at the bottom. You need black?
Yeah.
Let's do black. And then just put like, you can make it look like a car. With a door, yeah. That's cool.
Probably shouldn't have added that. And then it's another type.
I don't know. Like a tent? Camping?
People do live in tents.
Okay.
I think. I think.
Or a cabin. No, a tent.
Cabin or tent?
Tent.
Like a cabin. Okay, you draw. You draw the tent. 'Cause I'm not good at that.
There's brown.
You guys have enough markers and everything?
Yeah.
Doing good? Any questions?
No, I think
Okay.
it's pretty good so far.
We're gonna be wrapping it up in about 5 minutes here, so I'm telling everyone right now to get your last thoughts in and make sure it looks nice, everything you want, and then we're gonna come back as a group and present.
There. Done?
Looks good. There you go. We're done. Should we label it?
We're done.
Yes, you guys are done?
Yeah.
Finished?
Put our name on it.
Alright, let me see this. Looks great, yeah. Yeah, make sure your name's on the back and then I'm waiting for everyone else and then we're gonna start.
Okay.
Got about a minute left. We'll get started here.
Wanna put your name?
And then for each of you, you can decide who's gonna speak. I'd like one of you to explain the poster and the other one to give the definition, so.
Okay, cool. You want me to do it? Okay, whenever we're ready. And then you can give the definition again.
Alright, so I'll have this group come up, present your poster to the class. You guys can stand up here. The stage is yours. Go ahead.
Okay, so we chose the word abode, and basically what our idea of our poster was to basically put different types of houses and or like different types of residents or houses of or someone thinks as a home. We chose a house, an apartment building. You can also have a mobile home car, like an
RV.
Yeah, an RV, yeah, like an RV or a trailer. And then the last one is a tent. And I mean, it looks like a triangle, but it is a tent. But yeah, and then Kathleen will take off say the
And an
definition.
abode essentially means a place of residence, or it's also synonymous to house or home.
Very good.
And that's it.
Great, good job, good job. So I'll take this, we're gonna put this up here, I'll put this in the file. So all these are gonna be going up to class on our side of the wall, so that everyone can look back and reference back to the vocab. So that's very good. Alright, next up, come on up, we'll have you guys, everyone else, make sure you are writing down definitions. I know I've gone over this before. Make sure you guys are writing down definitions from other groups, so that way you have definitions on. Because at the end of class, I'm going to ask you to write one definition down that was not part of your group, and that'll be your exit ticket out of here. So make sure you guys are paying attention, writing down what the other groups have to say. All right, that one was abode.